Today we are here to present one of the most significant milestones of India in its space exploration journey. As India's third lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3 is a very big achievement towards unraveling the mysteries of the moon.
Organized by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Like the past missions, the Chandrayaan-3 does not include an orbiter. It only focuses on the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover.
The details about Chandrayaan-3 and its launch. Chandrayaan-3 was launched using the LTL-3 rocket. After its launch from Sriharikota Space Station in Andhra Pradesh, the spacecraft embarked its journey to the moon. Once it reached the lunar orbit, the lander separated and started doing its work, that is gathering all the data and sending back the information to the Earth. However, landing on the moon surface wasn't easy due to its rough and hard conditions, stating that the composition of the lunar soil is providing information about the elements present on the moon. It concludes the presence of water ice and mountains. Chandrayaan-3 represents India's growing progress in space technology and scientific knowledge. The data that we gain from the Chandrayaan-3 not only enhances our knowledge but also lays a stage for any future space exploration. We eagerly anticipate for any future space exploration that will be inspired by Chandrayaan-3. Thank you so much for listening.